Let me ask you something. Have you ever had that feeling where you're putting in all the work, you're giving it 110%, but your paycheck just stays the same? It's that feeling that makes so many people dream of being their own boss. Well, today we're going to look at a system that's built to help you make that leap, not just into being self-employed, but into a business that's already proven to work. Let's dive in to the Mr. Steam franchise. This right here, this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? It's that feeling, that deep down frustration that your hard work should equal more income. It just makes sense. And that's the exact problem that becoming your own boss is meant to solve. So you decide you're going to do it. You're going to be your own boss. The dream is awesome, right? You're in charge, you call the shots. But then reality hits, and it hits hard. All of a sudden, you're not just doing the job, you're also the head of marketing, the accountant, the customer service team, the social media manager. You have to build a brand that people actually trust from absolute zero. Man, it is a tough, lonely climb. And that's the big question, isn't it? That's the one that stops so many amazing, talented people right in their tracks. How in the world do you go from being great at what you do to suddenly being an expert in business overnight? How do you deal with that constant worry of, will anyone even know I exist? Will my phone ever ring? Okay, but this is where the story takes a turn. Imagine you could just skip that whole painful, grinding startup phase. What if instead of starting from scratch, you could plug into a machine that's already humming along at top speed? Well, that's the Mr. Steam advantage. It's your business, but it's supercharged from day one. And when I say supercharged, I'm not kidding. Look at this number. This right here solves the single biggest problem for any new business: getting noticed. Instead of you spending years and a ton of money trying to build a name, you get to tap into a brand that gets 5 to 10 million views on social media every single month. Just think about that for a second. Your customers already know who Mr. Steam is before you even show up. And look, this isn't some faceless corporation. It's a real growing network of people, of owner-operators, just like you, all across North America. These are your peers, your teammates. You're not just buying a business, you're joining a team that's already winning. So what is this really? It's a franchise. And the best way to think about a franchise is like a business in a box. Everything you need is already there. The brand people recognize, the step-by-step playbook that works, and a whole network of people to back you up. You get to skip the hardest parts and just focus on doing the work and growing your income. So how does this actually work day to day? Okay, let's open up this business in a box and look inside at the Mr. Steam playbook. This is your complete toolkit for success, and it's built on 3 really powerful pillars that make sure you're in business for yourself, but never ever by yourself. See, it's these 3 things working together that makes it so powerful. You get the brand power right out of the gate. You get the proven playbook, so you're never guessing what to do next. And you get the support network, so you're never alone. It's the whole package, the entire ecosystem, all designed to help you win. And when we say playbook, we mean this thing is detailed. We're talking about Mr. Steam University, which is your online training for literally everything. There are step-by-step handbooks, checklists for every job. There's even a standard operating procedure, an SOP, for every single task you can imagine. All the guesswork is just gone. And you are never on your own. You know, one of the hardest things about starting a business is how lonely it can be. But here, you get one-on-one help directly from the founder, Bryce Gilbert. Plus, you get added to this active WhatsApp group with all the other franchisees. Got a weird stain you've never seen before? Pop it in the group. You'll probably get 5 answers in 10 minutes. It's incredible. Okay, so the system is amazing, the support is there, but let's talk about what really matters, the money. What does this actually mean for your wallet? Let's break down the financial roadmap, because it is crystal clear. Now, what I love about this is that the goal in year 1 isn't to burn yourself out. It's about building a sustainable business and a great life. By working just 3 days a week, that's it, 3 days. The goal is to bring in almost $47,000 a year. That is a fantastic, profitable start, and you still have a 4-day weekend. And this is where that idea we started with really comes to life. You want to make more? You just work more. It's that simple. You add 1 more workday in your 2nd year, and boom, your income jumps to almost $65,000. By year 3, you're working a normal 5-day week and could be making over $82,000. Your hard work is finally directly tied to your income. And for a lot of people, this is the real dream, true freedom. They call it employee-only mode.
This is where you switch from working in the business to working on the business. You hire a great employee to run a truck, and that one vehicle can generate $3,000 a month in passive income for you. You want more? Just add another vehicle and another. You build your own fleet. And this little diagram here, this is the engine that makes it all go. It's a cycle that just feeds itself. You get a customer, you follow the playbook and do an amazing job, they're thrilled, so they tell all their friends, and then their friends go Google Mr. Steam. Google sees all that activity, and it starts ranking you higher. It's a flywheel that just builds and builds momentum over time. So you've seen the system, you've seen the support, and you've seen the clear path to making great money. The last piece of the puzzle is, well, how do you get started? And this really comes down to a choice every single person who wants to start a business has to make. So, on one side, you've got starting from scratch. You got to build a brand from nothing, go through years of painful trial and error, face all that risk, and do it all by yourself. Or you can join Mr. Steam. You get an instant brand, a proven system from day one, a clear path with way less risk, a whole library of viral videos to use for marketing, and a built-in team to support you. I mean, when you put it side by side like this, the choice is pretty obvious, right? And here's what really seals the deal. The terms are just unheard of. There's no giant upfront franchise fee that you have to pay. It's just a 10% royalty on what you sell. You get your own exclusive territory, so you're not competing with other franchisees, and get this, you can end the agreement anytime you want with zero penalties. The whole thing is designed to take away the risk so you can just focus on succeeding. So it all comes back to this. That frustration with a job that doesn't reward your hard work, that can be a thing of the past. That fear of starting a business all by yourself from zero, you can replace that with the confidence of a proven system. So the real question is, are you ready to take control? To finally connect your effort to your income and to build your own future with a system that is truly designed to help you succeed?